Well, my name's Janet Luigi, and I lived in Ceredigion for the last 10 years. I had a wonderful career in teaching and lecturing in movement and dance here and in America, all over, and from everything from Holloway Prison to Yehudi Menuhin colleges. I decided to do a degree late in life, having written them in movement for young students to get now. I decided to see if I could actually get one, and I did eventually, and I got it in creative writing with the Open University. I have a creative writing group in Aberero and 2 reading groups, which keep me sane-ish, I think. My passion is for the arts, creative arts. We should all have the chance for creativity, and my goodness, my area is bursting with creative people in every discipline. I don't think I knew very much about Ceredigion, obviously coming from North Wales, when I moved in. I love it for its unpretentiousness. I love it because of these creative people that live there, apart from the scenery. And since we've come, we've had tough times, my husband and I, in business. But the support we get, and the big thing that I feel is that you are valued not for what you have, but for what you do. My argument is that if you don't vote, you can't moan. And I like moaning as much as everybody, I suppose. So it is absolutely essential that everyone that can vote goes out and votes for what they believe in.